So, guess who got the GoPro? Guess who got the GoPro? Ha, 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 ha. Hello? Hello? Oh, you here? Oh, you here, GoPro? GoPro 10. GoPro 10. GoPro 10. Mwah. Let's go. Let's dive right into the GoPro 10. So what's up? This is Jeff. I am with SSH Drones, and today I do have the GoPro 10 with me. So I am going to do a really quick unboxing, raw, uncut, no studio. I'm just gonna pretty much just dive right in and see what the GoPro 10 has to offer. So let's dive right into it, shall we? Let's go. All right, so right off the bat, I just noticed that this is pretty much similar to the GoPro 9 case. So we're just going to unbox it. So nothing fancy, just unboxing, okay. So first things first, as the GoPro 9, you actually do have stickers and pretty much like how to use the mounts right here, and pretty much like a really quick like guide manual with the QR code right here. Oh, right here, the QR code, you know, just for the GoPro, and also how to insert the battery and pretty much the memory card, power on the GoPro, and pretty much how to charge it right here. So we have pretty much the product questions. So I'm pretty sure that this is with warranty, and anything that has to do with warranty, you got it right here. All right, so pretty much a warning that your camera needs to be updated prior to use. So this is really important that you update it. So I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna have to do an update really quick. So yeah, so I'm assuming that this is a firmware update, but we definitely gonna dig into that a little later. Okay, so pretty much we have the power cord, USB-C right here. One battery. The battery is very similar to the GoPro 9 battery, but we definitely gonna have to test it just to make sure that the GoPro 9 battery fits with the 10. Of course, you have the mount right here, and pretty much where you can actually slide this over the mount, and then you have the screw right here, and pretty much this right there, and the camera itself. So again, right off the bat, this is pretty much very similar to the GoPro 9 right here. So we're pretty much going to take the stickers off and take the stickers off right here. Actually, the camera looks a little smaller than the GoPro 9. So again, there's another warning. They really insist that you do update the camera before you use it. So pretty sure I'm gonna have to update it. Of course, you have the battery door right here, just like the GoPro 9, and put your memory card right here, and then the battery right here. And of course, the connector to the USB-C right here that you can just like connect. And of course, you do have the swivels mounts. So you can just like insert the screw right here just to mount your GoPro. So yeah, pretty much there's nothing really fancy. What I wanted is just to get the camera, because I noticed that based on what I've seen, that the accessories of the GoPro 9 will perfectly work with the GoPro 10. So I definitely wanted to get the 10. Okay, so right here is the legal stuff. Essentially what we're trying to do is to agree. And it asks for the GPS. Of course, the GPS is going to be turned on. Oh, it says insert the SD card. I guess we're going to have to insert an SD card. So I'm just going to look for one real quick to do. Okay, so we have inserted the SD card. Let's just go ahead and just check it out. It doesn't say anything. Nothing. It's unresponsive. I don't understand why. Okay, let me just press this button and start all over again. Wow. Beep, beep, beep. So it's on. Great. GoPro. It's awesome. Okay, so we're gonna go with English. Legal stuff, agree. GPS is on. Update required. Your GoPro must be updated before you can use it. Leave it on and start the GoPro quick to pair and continue. So we definitely gonna have to update this really quickly. And once we update it, we will be back. Okay, so we ran into some trouble updating the GoPro 10. So technically, when I tried to update right here with the quick app, I was just pretty much just having trouble. Essentially, nothing actually updates. It doesn't really process. It just really just gets stuck on searching for camera. So the next option will be to just do a manual update of the GoPro. So essentially, I will follow the instructions here where I have to download the update and pretty much transfer the update into a micro SD card, which is what I am about to do. And at this point, what I'm gonna do is pretty much power off the GoPro and then insert the memory card right here so that we can just power it on and then do the manual update. So I already downloaded the update, so I'm just gonna put it in the camera and pretty much do this manual update. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, here we go. All right, so far so good. And I suppose that since I haven't seen the GPS or the legal stuff and all that fun jazz, I'm supposing that it is updating, so that's a good sign. Okay, so now the update is complete. Of course, it's power it all off and then power back on. Okay, GoPro. All right, so English, we press right here, legal stuff, agree. Of course, the GPS, let's turn on. And then it's asking to do this. Can we skip that? Yeah, I will have to see if we can skip that. Connecting, are you sure? With a quick, I'm just going to skip setup for now. So pretty much just insert the date. All right, so another thing is that you always have to remember is to pretty much go into your settings and make sure that you format your SD card always before, and it's gonna be right here at the bottom. Heat reset, format SD card. Would you like to format the SD card? Yada yada. I know it's a little too bright right now, but just hit format and then just gonna format it for you. All right, and then you are ready to go. So we're gonna record and sign off this video. All right, guys, we are now shooting at 4K, 30 frames per second. And earlier I was shooting at 5K at 30 frames a second as well, 5.3K as a matter of fact. So overall looks really great. One thing that I've noticed is the GoPro 10 uses a lot of accessory from the GoPro 9. So if you do have a GoPro 9, I'm pretty sure that everything that you have on a GoPro 9, you can definitely use it with the GoPro 10. So I hope this video was helpful. Just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and give me your impressions of the GoPro 10, and I'll pretty much chat with you and go back and forth about the GoPro 10. Just tell me what you like, tell me what you dislike about it, and whether this is a great addition to your camera lineup. So I am Jeff with SSH Drones, and I am signing off. Later, guys.